Good day everyone. Now we are going to solve problems involving improper integrals. But before that, I want to introduce to you the definition of an improper integral of type 2. If f of x is continuous on AB and discontinuous at A, then the integral of f of x dx a to b is equals to limit of the integral f of x dx t to b as t approaches to a positive. And if f of x is continuous on AB and discontinuous at B, then f of x dx a to b is equals to limit of a function a to t wherein t approaches to be negative. So now, this is our problem. We are going to determine if this function or integral is convergent or divergent. If it is convergent, then we are going to evaluate it. So we should treat the limit approaches to 1 since the function is undefined. So we are going to use the type 2 of the definition of the improper integral. So we should treat the limit approaches to 1 since the function is undefined there. So we have here, i-transform natin siya into limit. So limit as a limit of an integral x over 1 minus x dx 0 to a as a approaches to 1. Same with plus limit of an integral of x over 1 minus x dx b to 2 as b approaches to 1. So we are going to use the u substitution here. So we let u is equals to 1 minus x and x is equals to 1 minus u and du is equals to negative dx. And if we transform it, dx is equals to negative du. So limit as a limit of an integral 1 minus u, i-substitute na to si x, limit of the integral 1 minus u over u times negative du 0 to a as a approaches to 1. So atong evaluate lang dali is ang first term. Ang first term, it's because kung mag-infinite ni siya, then it means mag-infinite po si second term. So we are going to evaluate the first term first. So limit of an integral negative 1 minus u over u du 0 to a as a approaches to 1. So simplify rin ni nato. So we have limit of an integral negative 1 negative times 1 over u minus 1 du 0 to a as a approaches to 1. Next is we are going to integrate the term. So we have here negative limit negative ln u minus u 0 to a as a approaches to 1. So simplify na to ang negative to each. So mahimo siyang limit u to u minus ln u 0 to a as a approaches to 1. So negative times ln u, okay, mahimo man siyang positive, so ay negative, then we have here negative ln u, then mahimo siyang positive, which is positive u minus ln u. So next is substitute na to ang value sa u, which is 1 minus x. So limit 1 minus x minus ln 1 minus x 0 to a as a approaches to 1. So here we are going to evaluate these things. I-substitute na to si a and 0 sa x. So we have here limit 1 minus a minus ln 1 minus a minus 1 minus 0 minus ln 1 minus 0. So, i-simplify nato ni siya. So, we have here limit 1 minus a minus ln 1 minus a minus 1 minus 0 as a approaches to 1. So, may muna ni siyang 1. So, negative 1. So, we have here the limit as a approaches to 1. Limit 1 minus a minus ln 1 minus a minus 1 as a approaches to 1. So, next we are going to do is we are going to apply the limit. So, 1 minus 1 minus ln 1 minus 1 minus 1. So, may mo siyang 0 and 0. ln 0 is infinite. So, we have infinite. Since nag-infinite man siya, so, it means that the function is divergent. And also, the second term of the function or katong pag-treat nato sa limit naman to siya second function, then it is also infinite. So, it means it is divergent. And that's all for the improper integral.